In this video, I will show you how to disable receiving call from unknown number on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will show you two methods on how to do it in this video. First of all, close your phone and go to the settings of your phone. You can do this on your Android device or iOS device. If you are using Android device, if you open your setting, all you have to do is scroll to down and tap on this app management. But if you are using iOS device, after you open your settings, all you have to do just scroll to down and tap on WhatsApp. So if now I'm using Android. So after you open this app management, tap on this app list. So in this app list, now I will come and search my WhatsApp. So here is WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, all you have to do now, the first method is you can do it by tapping on this permission, or by typing on this notification. So under this notification, as you can see, as I open my notification now, all you have to do just here it says allow notifications. So just turn it up. So by turning up this notification now, no one can be able now to send you a video call on WhatsApp, either audio or video call. So using this method, it has a side effect. So now you can be able to receive the notification for your WhatsApp messages, and you can be able now to receive any notification or any video call from your known number and the unknown numbers. So if you want to go with this method, so it's okay for you, but if you don't want to go with this method, so I'll show you the next method. So the second method is I'll close this notification center, tap on this permission. Under this permission, all you have to do, tap on this camera. Under this camera, to tap on this don't allow, so tap on this back. So now I disable from receiving video calls. So tap on this microphone again, tap on this don't allow, tap on this back. So now as you can see now I disable my camera and my microphone on my WhatsApp. So now no one can be able now to send me a video call or audio call on the WhatsApp. You can be able to just block a single number or just unknown number, but you can be able just to block all the receiving call for video call and audio call on your WhatsApp. And the side effect of this setting is that if you block your camera, now you can be able now to take a picture through your WhatsApp, just to direct from your WhatsApp to send it to someone, but you can be able to pick a recorded video or already taken picture from your phone gallery and send it to someone. So that's it guys on how to make these settings. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.